Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SAMSUNG Galaxy M05 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find general management. Now let's tap on reset and scroll down. As you can see here, we've got two options connected with the mobile with network, let's say, because we've got mobile network settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings separately. So all we have to do is to tap on it, tap on reset settings, confirm everything with your pattern. Here you've got the information that this operation cannot be undone, so be sure if you want to do it. Tap on reset, and as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset network settings, mobile network settings, and the same situation with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Just tap on it, tap on reset settings, and as you can see, we just successfully did it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.